Look no further. I have the key to the juiciest turkey recipe, but I'm gonna let Rob tell it.
That's how you know it's moist.
I know you see it. Let's ride.
Get you a good turkey. Room temperature, pat dry. A dry brine. It's gonna make it crispy, flavorful, juicy, toasted spices.
Toast some bay leaf and peppercorn and grind those up until you get like a powder. Combine that with some salt, brown sugar, fennel seeds, orange, and lemon zest. We call that
Flavor. Yeah. Cover every crack and crevices. Buckle up. We're going to flavor time. We're gonna let this go for about 6 hours, at least. Boom. 12 hours later, softened butter, lemon juice, garlic pepper, lemon pepper, and all-purpose.
add in some fresh herbs, a little bit of garlic, some Cajun seasoning, and honey, and mix it until it looks like this. Now grab some fresh herbs. We're going to stuff our turkey with those, a little bit of garlic, lemon, and onion.
Lather my girl up.
Now cover that turkey in that compound butter and set it aside. Now slice up an orange and a lemon with some carrot, some celery, and any of the vegetables that you choose, and we're going to throw those in a roasting pan. And we're going to top it off with some fresh herbs, a little bit of white wine, and some orange juice. Then we're going to place the turkey back in the pan, and we're going to tie these legs up. Don't act like it's your first time. We're going to bake at 375 before we inject the turkey. This is where things get juicy.
I saw my girl Moody Foodie use a cheesecloth, so I'm gonna try that.
Basically, you're just gonna soak the cheesecloth in some of that leftover butter and cover the turkey with it.
325, low and slow.
Now pull your turkey once it reaches about 165. That took about 3.5 hours, 15 minutes per pound. And boom, look at that, juicy, amazing, moist turkey.